What's up, guys? Chris here, and today we're gonna do another like ride-along video. I'm going up to places where I haven't been before in a long time. Going to like Danbury area of Connecticut. It's been a long time since I've been here, and I'm just gonna take you guys along for the ride. Should be a good time. So we just arrived at the first thrift store. I don't really have too much good luck here, but we'll see what we find. I'll show you guys what I get, if I get anything, because this place kind of is absurd with prices, but we'll see. It's just ridiculous. But I got a few things. This is $4 on Amazon. It looks like it's going for about 25, and this is new, so I mean that's good. This was a Traveler, which is like a golf thing, and it's also a Peter Millar hat, so it was $1. I'd imagine I'd get around $20 plus shipping for this. We'll see. I'm trying to do this new thing where I test out hats, and this Traveler is a really like cool like golf logo, so we'll see. And it's Peter Millar, so it should work. And this was a pretty nice little score. It's Tommy Bahama, but it's a football one. So it's a Tommy Bahama quarter zip, but it's a Cowboys. And it also has the logo on the arm somewhere. It's very hard to do with one hand. There it is, the logo on the arm. It was $10. I saw comps going for $40. I'm confident I can get $40 plus shipping. It's a good size. Yeah, on to the next one. All right, we just got to number 2, Goodwill, or thrift store. Yeah, let's see what we can find. Take you guys inside. All right, so that was definitely an interesting stop. I didn't really get too much. I got 2 items. This is very hard to do with one hand. Just a Johnny O, like full zip. It was $6, should sell for 40 plus shipping. And I got this, it's an Xbox One. $60. I can probably sell both of these controllers for close to 60. And hopefully this bad boy works. It turned on in the store, but I need to test it at home. I have 2 days to return it. I should be able to make maybe $1.50 on this. I don't know, gotta test it. All right, so we made it to number 3. Let's see what we can find here. So I just got to the next spot. I got kind of excited at Savers because I found something really good, and I'll show you guys a little bit later. I found like 5 pairs of shoes, and I'll just show you guys at the end now because it's snowing. And I am not gonna do a haul in the snow. I don't know. I didn't know it was supposed to be snowing today, which is crazy. Yeah, it's snowing, and I'm not gonna do a haul outside. And it's dark. So when I get home, I'll finish the haul video up. But for right now, we're going to Goodwill number 4. Yeah, this is weird. The weather definitely didn't say it was gonna be snowing today, but it's snowing. Cool. What's up, guys? So it's like the next day, and I didn't get to do the haul yesterday because I was extremely exhausted, but I'm just gonna flip the camera over. We'll do a quick haul. You guys basically saw everything I got. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. All right, so today the haul was a lot of shoes. Not many clothing items, but a good amount of shoes. So we're gonna start with these. These are Allbirds. It's a great brand. They're like wool running shoes. These were $7, and I should get close to $29.99 on these plus shipping. Great shoe. I keep hearing a lot about these shoes. They're called Brooks, and that's their logo. But these were $13.99 minus 20%. I think it's like $10, $11. They're like brand new condition, so I should be able to get $39.99 plus shipping on these, but we'll see. This is one of my first times picking up this brand, so we'll see how this does. These are called Todd's. They're like a driving shoe, and I've never picked this up before. They look like they're in good condition. I paid up for these. I think I paid $13 as well, but I should get close to $59.99 plus shipping on these. So that's a good score. These shoes are Grayson. Never picked them up before, but they look very nice and fancy. And I think I paid $15 for these as well, but I should be able to get up to $60 for these plus shipping. So I don't really like to pay up for shoes like that, but I had 20% off, so everything was a little less than, you know, the prices I'm saying. This is a Tommy Bahama. It's a football Tommy Bahama. And it's a quarter zip Cowboys. Picked this up for 10. I should sell it for 40 all day. And this was a cool find. It was $2.99. It's Johnny Cupcakes. They usually do okay for me, but since St. Patrick's Day is around the corner, this is like the perfect item to pick up. Has the little leaf. I know it's Notre Dame, it's the college team, but I mean, it's right around the corner, $2.99. I should get close to 35 plus for this, just because of St. Patrick's Day coming. Then I picked up a few games. I got Rock Band for $4. These are all brand new, except one, but this was $4. Sells on Amazon for $25. This was $2. It should sell for, I think, also $25. This is also new. This was $3.99. Should sell for, I think this one goes for close to 30 plus. This is not new. I paid $4, but I should be able to make 3 to 4 on this one. It was just kind of like a throw-in. This is new. $4. I should get close to 15. No, well, it sells for 15 to 17. So that should be a good little flip. And this is also $4. I didn't realize that I am restricted in this game, so it's gonna have to go over on eBay. This one actually doesn't sell for a lot on eBay. Paid $4. Should be able to sell it for 12 to 15, which is, I guess, okay. Then the second to last thing I picked up was this Travelers. It's a golf. It's like a golf tournament, but it's a Peter Millar one. It was half off, so it was $1. So I'm just testing this. I'm testing hats. I want to see how they go. I'm hoping to get $20 on this. It has the Traveler little logo. That's like something a lot of people are looking for. It's like the Wingfoot or the Masters. It's like one of those. And then the last item I got are these shoes. They probably look like just ordinary shoes, but this down here is from Van Halen's guitar, and actually Nike was sued over these shoes because they did not ask him for permission to use this. So they're kind of limited, they're rare. I paid $15.99, and I'll show comps. Comps are kind of crazy. There's only 3 shoes listed, one for $600, one for I think $900, and one for like $1,000. But only one is sold in the past, I think, 90 days for $250 plus shipping. So we'll see how much I get for these. I'm hoping for $150 to $200 realistically, but I haven't listed high. I'll let the market decide on what they want to do. Yeah, that's really it. That's gonna wrap up this video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you like content like this. Keep posting at least twice a week. Should have another video up probably Thursday or Friday. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. On to the next one.